Namaste and welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life, where we explore fitness, food, astrology, inspiring thoughts, stories, and much more. Have you ever dreamed of running a marathon, but wondered if ordinary people can really complete 26.2 miles? The answer is absolutely yes. In today's video, we'll walk you through a complete beginner's guide to marathon preparation. From building your running base and following a training plan, to nutrition, injury prevention, race day mindset, and finally crossing that finish line with confidence. For detailed explanations, charts, and additional insights, do visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Let's begin our marathon journey. A marathon isn't just another run. Covering 26.2 miles demands physical endurance, mental strength, and months of preparation. Your muscles, joints, heart, and even your digestive system are tested for several hours. Most first-time runners experience fatigue, self-doubt, and moments when they want to quit. But here's the encouraging truth. Thousands of ordinary people complete marathons every year. Your first goal isn't speed, it's simply finishing. Success begins with realistic expectations, patience, and consistency. Remember, marathon running isn't about competing against others. It's about discovering what you're truly capable of. Before starting a marathon training plan, spend time building your running base. Begin with easy, comfortable runs and gradually increase your weekly mileage. If you've been inactive, consider getting a medical checkup to ensure you're ready. Invest in a good pair of running shoes because the right footwear can prevent many injuries. Consistency matters far more than intensity. 4 easy runs each week are far more beneficial than occasional exhausting workouts. Think of base building as constructing the foundation of a house. The stronger the foundation, the stronger your marathon journey will be. Most beginners need about 4 to 5 months of structured training. The journey typically consists of 3 phases: base building, mileage progression, and tapering before race day. Long runs are the backbone of marathon preparation. They train your body and mind to handle long distances. Rest days are equally important because recovery is when your body actually becomes stronger. Avoid increasing mileage too quickly. Patience is your greatest ally. Marathon training isn't about doing more every day, it's about doing the right things consistently. You don't have to run continuously from day one. Run-walk intervals are one of the smartest tools for beginners. Alternating periods of running and walking helps build endurance while reducing stress on your joints. Following the 10% rule for weekly mileage increases can significantly lower injury risk. Tracking your progress through apps, journals, or running watches keeps you motivated and accountable. Celebrate every milestone, your first 5 kilometers, first 10 miles, or your longest run yet. Small victories eventually create extraordinary achievements. Training alone isn't enough. Your body needs the right fuel. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins repair muscles, and proper hydration keeps everything functioning efficiently. Practice your race day nutrition during long runs. Never experiment with new foods or energy gels on race day. Drink consistently throughout the day and replace electrolytes during longer runs. Remember, successful marathon runners don't just train hard, they fuel smart. Nutrition and hydration can often make the difference between hitting the wall and crossing the finish line strong. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is ignoring early warning signs. Sharp pain, swelling, or discomfort that changes your running form should never be ignored. Dynamic warm-ups before running and stretching afterward can greatly reduce injury risk. Adding strength training twice a week strengthens your hips, glutes, and core, helping you run more efficiently. Most importantly, don't confuse rest with weakness. Recovery is part of training. Listening to your body today can save weeks of frustration later. Marathon success isn't only physical, it's mental. There will be difficult days during training and challenging moments during the race itself. Break big goals into smaller ones. Focus on the next mile instead of the remaining distance. Use positive self-talk and visualize yourself crossing the finish line. Unexpected situations may arise: rain, fatigue, or pacing mistakes. Stay flexible and trust your preparation. Remember, your mind usually gives up long before your body does. Mental resilience is what transforms runners into marathon finishers. Race day finally arrives after months of dedication. Prepare your gear and meals the night before. Start slower than you think you should and conserve energy for the final miles. When the difficult moments come, rely on crowd support, your training, and your reasons for starting this journey. And when you cross that finish line, celebrate proudly. Recovery is equally important. Give your body time to heal and appreciate what you've accomplished. Your first marathon isn't merely a race. It's proof that consistency and perseverance can turn impossible dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us on this marathon journey. Preparing for your first marathon requires patience, discipline, proper nutrition, smart training, and a positive mindset. But above all, it requires believing that you are capable of more than you think. If you'd like detailed training schedules, nutrition tips, and comprehensive insights, do visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Here at Variety is the Spice of Life. We bring you content on fitness, food, astrology, inspiring thoughts, stories, and much more. Because life becomes richer when we keep learning and growing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and help us reach more people. Until next time, remember, every marathon begins with a single step. Lace up your shoes, trust the process, and keep moving forward. See you in the next video.